Hey, my name's Jasper, and today I'm going to be giving myself 1 hour to remix Moby's track Too Much Change from his 2020 album All Visible Objects. It's a live, spacious track with gorgeous piano and vocals from Apollo Jane. Let's hope I can do it justice. Also, it's 3 PM here in the UK, so if it gets dark halfway through, don't be alarmed.
There's too much change. How we to do
Might have something. I think this is the chorus and the first bit is the intro. I always do that.
how we
There we go. I was this close yesterday to giving up on that track, but I think we got there in the end. Comment down below what you want me to bootleg next. Like and subscribe and all that rubbish. And peace.